Hello and welcome to another video. In this one I'm going to explain a question that gets asked all the time on my stream, which is, what is that funny thing between your keyboards? This little guy right here. And if we zoom in on a little bit, and see it a little bit better. Oops. Sorry, this scene is hard to get to. I don't have it programmed. But anyway, you can see right here. This is a tiny little macro keyboard. It is the BDN9, which I soldered together and actually assembled on stream. I can link that stream in the description. But I use this as a stream deck for streaming. So I use this to change my scenes. In particular, like this scene right here, this button here, goes to the normal programming scene that I usually use. And if you want to link to this, and you're in my Twitch chat, which I started my bot just for this video, if you do bang keyboard 3, I want to say it is, the bot will reply with a link to where you can get this as well, and how, like, some instructions to assemble it. But it is the BDN9. It looks like it's currently sold out, so might not be able to get it at the current time. But it was a fun little kit. This is one of the first things that I've soldered together, and you know, it went relatively well. But you can see other people have different builds of theirs. Mine is probably the most boring build ever. I didn't do any of the like fancy LED stuff. My caps are kind of boring. I did get 2 of the rotary encoders here, so you can see there's a little knob here, which mine controls my volume. So if you look in the top left, you can see there's a little volume meter there. This one does page up and page down, which I guess we could do here. So you can see that it pages up and pages down. But I don't use those very often. I mostly just use the rest of the keys. Some of the other keys that I use are like this one goes to my selfie mode for my streams. Well, actually, you can see the stream chat right there. This one up here goes to the title slide for my YouTube videos, which I won't show that because spoilers. This middle one goes to kind of the selfie mode for my YouTube videos. But anyway, I use this to bounce around to different scenes, and it works pretty well. But anyway, that's what that is. I'll leave a link to this as well as the video of me assembling it in the description. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.